Hello, children. Welcome back to part 2 of chapter 9, The Freedom Movement of 1857 CE, semester 1. Let's discuss about the planning of the revolt and Mangal Pandey. As per the planning, the revolt was to be carried on throughout the nation. Many leaders like Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kunwar Singh, Tatya Top, Azimullah Khan, etc. joined the revolt. Lotus and roti being the symbol to join the revolt. Hindu and Muslim priests and messengers played important role in spreading the word about the revolt through verses and music. During same period, Mangal Pandey, who joined British Army as soldier at ₹7 as his salary, also opposed the use of cartridge greased with the fats of cows and pigs. He opposed the use of cartridge Enfield rifle and challenged the British officers. He fought bravely against Britishers, but finally when he was cornered by British soldiers, Mangal Pandey shot himself. Though he was saved even after huge try by British, he did not give any information regarding the revolt to the British. Finally, he was hanged at 5:30 a.m. on 8th April, and that's how he became the first martyr of the revolt of 1857. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Though he was 80-year-old Mughal emperor, but when revolutionaries came to know that Bahadur Shah is going to join as leader, this news brought new life in the revolt, and many regions of India joined the revolt. Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib was asked to assume the leadership of the revolt of Kanpur. They fought bravely but had to finally surrender due to 22 days long siege. Kunwar Singh. Kunwar Singh of Bihar fought bravely against Britishers. During a battle, his arm got shot. To stop the poison from spreading, he chopped his hand off and offered to river Ganga. He fought bravely and freed Jagdishpur from the British control before he died. Rani Lakshmi Bai. One of the great warriors of 1857, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. Britishers refused to accept her adopted son as the heir to the throne after her and wanted to capture the dynasty. This was the reason for her joining the revolt. She was very skillful and prepared woman army to fight against the British. Tatya Top. Tatya Top became the trusted commander of Nana Sahib Peshwa of Kanpur. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur. Tatya Top played a major role in the revolt across the country. No one in his time had fought as many battles as he did. The soldiers from different parts of India joined the revolt, but however, all centers were scattered. We will see the reason further. Now let's discuss about revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. Though the 7th Battalion of the British broke into Ahmedabad, Gujarat, it was soon halted. Though after tough fight and capture of government office with the help of native soldiers were defeated. We could see people like Garbar Das Patel, Jivabai Thakur, Malaji Joshi, Krishna Das Dave joined the revolt, but supporters of Garbar Das Dave were captured by Britishers and tied to the cannon and were blown off. People of Chandup village under the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji joined the revolt. Even bravery of Wagar women could be seen, as this woman came up with a brave and innovative idea. They soaked the mattress with water in which they could catch the cannon balls and cool them immediately, which would enable Wagar men to fight the battle without being hit by cannonballs. Their act of bravery were as equivalent as Rani Lakshmi Bai. Thus most part of Gujarat joined the revolt. Even Tatya Top took shelter in Panchmahal district, later in forest of Banswara when he was chased by British army. So children, today we wrap up here, and in next part we will learn more about end of the revolt, its failure, effect and consequences. Till then, bye, take care.